Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can block to someone on the Facebook. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Facebook, and after going to the Facebook, as you can see, I have opened it. Now simply we have to go to the Messenger section. So I'm going to open the Messenger section here. Now we have to scroll down and we have to choose that whom you want to block. For example, I want to block this one. So we have to choose this. And now we have to click on this profile. So let's click on the profile here. And after clicking on the profile, as you can see, now we have to scroll down. And after scrolling down, you will get the second last option, which is called block here. If you want to report it, you can also do that. I'm going to click on the block here. So as you can see, you will get two options here, block messages and calls, or block on Facebook. So it's up to you that which option you want to prefer. For example, I'm going to choose this one here, and let's click on the block and it will be blocked. If you want to block it from the Facebook, you can also do that. So in this way, you can block to someone on the Facebook. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.